Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote engine start, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.